In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start drop shipping from AutoDS to Shopify. Now, we're going to get straight into it, and I'm already going to assume that you already have an account with Shopify and an account with AutoDS set up. But if you don't, it's fine. You can pause this and you can go through it and set those up now. Now, once you do have both of those accounts set up, what you're going to do is simply connect your Shopify store to your AutoDS account. To do this, all you have to do is click up where it says Add Store. Now, for me, I already have my store connected, but you'll have that option as well. Now, if you already have, let's say, an eBay account, and you're drop shipping to eBay with AutoDS, and you want to start drop shipping to Shopify as well, this is also how you'll connect your Shopify account to AutoDS. So all we're going to do is we're going to click on the Shopify option here. We're going to click Continue, and you're going to have three different options once you do that. You're going to have the option to create a brand new store. So you can go ahead and create a brand new Shopify store using AI where you can choose a niche and it will already come preloaded with 10 to 12 winning dropshipping products for you. I absolutely love that. The other option is going to be to create a Shopify store yourself with the option on the right-hand side here. But since right now we're assuming that you already have one, we're just going to click the left option and connect the two accounts. Also, if you don't have one yet, then just go ahead and click the middle option here. And honestly, this is going to be the easiest one because the AI will generate everything for you. I love this option, especially for beginners. Again, all that information is very easy right here. You just click the AI. It will literally create the store for you, and you don't need to do anything. Everything's preloaded and ready to roll. So once you have everything set up, you're going to have a few different sections where you can find different suppliers and different products. And there are a lot of different options to choose from here. It essentially is like having the entire e-commerce internet at your fingertips inside this dashboard. Now, if you want to follow along and check out everything that I'm going to be showing you here, then I would recommend that you at least have these set up. Pause it slowly and go through as I'm going through as well. And that way you can kind of follow along and do the same thing. I feel like that's the best way to kind of learn it, by doing it while I'm doing it with you. So right here, if you click into trending products, we're going to start from the bottom up. Now, trending products are products that are imported using AI, and we have an AI that scouts the entire internet looking for some of the most trending and up-to-date products for us automatically with this. Now, it's going to find products that are gaining traction, and if there's internet, interest behind them and people are interacting with them on social media, or if they're getting a ton of sales, then it's going to take those products and place them right here for us. So you can scroll everything that's available right here. You can definitely find some up and coming products very easily just going through this. Like, check this one out right here, for example. So we can go ahead, we can click into it. And what we're going to do next is all of the data here is going to tell us whether or not this is a product worth dropshipping or selling. So you can see things like how many units have sold, what the profit potential is, the interaction rate on social media posts, how many reviews it has, and what it's currently selling for. But then you also have a product score and a bit more information to help you decide as well. So you have a geographic data for this product too, meaning where it's selling the most, and that's obviously crucial. You have some general sales data as well, and you have different ads that you can even reference to use as inspiration to create your own versions or start creating your own ads if you want to obviously run ads, or if you want to create organic content. These are going to be extremely helpful. Then you have a bit more information as you continue scrolling down. So you'll also have a few options here. So for example, you can see that you can create a sample order if you want to test it out and film your own content. This is really helpful because it allows you to have the product at source cost too. And that way you can start creating UGC content around it, create videos promoting it, run ads if you want to, or take unique pictures for your website, for the listing, or for marketing if you want to do that too. Then if this product is worth dropshipping and you like it, if it's something you know that you can sell, then you can go ahead and click import draft here. And we're going to check that out in just a second. But first, let's just check out the basic marketplace to show you some more products. So inside the marketplace, we've got a lot of other different suppliers. This is where we're going to find products that we can drop ship and we can source from places like AliExpress or Amazon or DHgate or Wayfair, Target, or many more places, as you can see. It even includes private suppliers from AutoDS as well, which is where the real gold mine is. So if we click where it says suppliers here, we're going to see all of those different options. And like I said, we have regular retail suppliers, and there are also wholesale suppliers here too. So for example, there's Alibaba, there's Walmart, there's Banggood, there's Home Depot, there's Amazon, there's AliExpress, like I mentioned earlier, and a ton of others. So if you want to click on Amazon as an example, we have all these different products shipping directly from Amazon warehouses. So obviously these are going to be, prime, and they're going to have pretty fast shipping. But besides that, let me show you AutoDS private suppliers as well, because honestly, this is where the real money can be made often because you have so many different options. One of the best things, in my opinion, about these private suppliers is that you get faster shipping and you get better pricing, but also you have the option, which is really cool, to brand your products as well. So you're able to upload your logo, and you can have that logo printed on something like a custom thank you card, or it can go inside your packaging and that the customer is going to receive. So you can build a brand literally with this. It's really cool. You can also have your logo added to invoices, so when the customer opens the package and they see the receipt, they're going to see your logo on it. And don't worry, it's not going to show what you paid for it. It's either going to show what they paid for it as the customer, or it's not going to have any pricing at all. So they're never going to see the markup, and they're never going to see the cost that you paid as the dropshipper. Now, not every supplier here offers this, but it will say things like customizable branding. So you can find which ones are customizable really easily. That way you know which suppliers actually do this for you right off the bat. It's going to smack you in the face with that customizable branding, logo or whatever you want to call it, like label. That it is the majority of them, as you can see. Not every single one of them, though. Now, another cool feature from this page is the ability to create one product stores using Zipify. So from here, you can hover over these products and click Build a Shopify Store. And if you click that, it's going to take you to Zipify's website, where it will then analyze the product, analyze the images, and basically everything else about it. And then it's going to give you a product score and tell you whether or not the product is worth dropshipping. Now, if we see products that we want to check out later, we can import them as drafts, and then we can always revisit them inside our draft section at a later date. We can also click any of these products. We can click into them, and you'll get a bit of different information than what you saw earlier as well. So here you'll have more basic information like the item cost, the shipping info, and the option to create a sample order or import it as a draft. But now you also have the option to message the supplier directly too. So if you have any questions about the product, if a customer might ask you in the future, if you have questions about the shipping, or maybe whether it comes in a different color, then you can obviously go ahead and message the seller and the supplier directly. Now, let's move on to handpicked products here, because this is where you're going to find products that are actually chosen by real people. So we have an entire product team here at AutoDS at our fingertips. And that's incredible because they're going to scour the internet for us ahead of time, just like the AI does, but they have very specific criteria in mind that's going to help us. They know what's trending, what's been working over the last few months, and exactly what they're looking for. That's their whole job, right? And then they're spoon feeding us these products. It's a game changer. So whenever they come across a product that's actually worth selling and meets a ton of good criteria, they're going to place them into this handpicked product section here, hence the name. Now, from here, you have a few different options. You can build your store directly, or you can import your products into drafts. Once we click into one of these, you'll see different variations that you can choose from. So the option to create a sample order, the option to import a draft, and even choose different suppliers if you want. You'll also get more analytics for the product itself. So you'll see a potential profit, how much it's selling for, and how many orders have come in for it already. You'll also see an engagement score, which is very helpful. That's going to tell you how much interaction this product is getting across social media. So for example, if videos on TikTok Shop or ads there are featuring this product and they're performing well, it's going to tally all that data and it's going to give it an ultimate score. That's really helpful for us because it's going to let us know how much that engagement is going to be on that product, which is an indicator of a successful product. And then you also see that you have a saturation score here too, which tells you how saturated the market is for that product. That's also very helpful. You want to weigh those two. Now, right now, a lot of people are buying products like, these for picnics or outdoor activities. So this would be a great time to start offering a product like this. And then if you're going to run ads, you have a target audience section here, which is really helpful. That's going to help you figure out who to sell the product to and who to actually try to push that content or those ads to based on subcategories and niches. Now, you also have a social ad section along with a competitor section too. Now, these include TikTok ads and Facebook ads that are currently running featuring this product. Then you have a competitors here. And if you click into any of these, you can see what they're pricing the product at and how their product page actually looks, which is really helpful for us to do product research on our competitors. You can see their images. You can see everything else about their specific product and what they're offering. So it basically makes competitor research as simple as possible and so much easier for us. And then you can see that you have the recommended product section showing products that pair well with the one that we're already viewing. And that's, again, very, very helpful because if, for instance, you're creating a category store, something around the same niche, then these are also products you want to look into. Now, if you're using your own suppliers, let's say from Amazon or AliExpress, and you have products that aren't available inside the marketplace, you can import those too. So check this out. Let's say we want to sell a dog hat, for instance. This one's actually pretty cool. We can take the link from AutoDS supported supplier and we can click add products, and then we can either add a single product or we can add multiple products. So if you're uploading multiple products, I recommend grouping them by supplier. So upload all your AliExpress products together, all your Amazon products together, obviously supplier to supplier, and then so on. But for now, we obviously are only showing you one product, so let's just click on the single product here and paste our link here. Now we can choose whether it ships from the US or China. We can either publish it directly to our store, we can add it as a draft, or we can edit the product page with AI. When we edit the product page with AI, AutoDS does take the product and it builds an entire optimized product page around it for our Shopify store. And honestly, it looks way better than anything that I can personally make myself, just manually. I'll show you that here in a second. But for now, let's just click add it as a draft. And on top of that, we also have sourcing requests. And the way that these work is you can submit a request to source a product that isn't currently available on the platform. And you can do this from the product section or from the order section too. So for example, if someone places an order for that AliExpress product that we just uploaded, it'll show up here in the order section. Right now, I'm showing a lot of digital products because this is one of my mixed stores, but here you'll see request sourcing. And when you click that, AutoDS just sends the product to all of its private suppliers and basically asks who has this product and what deal can you offer for it. So then you'll start receiving different sourcing options, and sometimes there'll be one supplier, sometimes there'll be multiple. You can link the product to a supplier so that every future order gets fulfilled by them, or you can leave it as is. And you can also create sample orders, you can message the supplier, or you can ask them to make changes too. Now, let's jump into the draft section here because this is really important. This is where all the products that aren't live yet on your store are going to live. So from here, we can check out the propeller hats that we looked at earlier, which I actually really liked. We can also click edit and we can change anything that we want to or anything that we need. Now, I'm not going to bore you with every single detail here, but if you want to deep dive into this section and this entire AutoDS platform and Shopify dropshipping, then there's a ton of videos online to do it, but this is just the bare bones of what you need to do. You don't need to overcomplicate it, especially in the beginning. You can always test, and then iterate on top of what's working to improve your conversion rates in the future. But I wouldn't get transfixed on that in the beginning because more often than not, it's more so about getting the right products and getting the right marketing and getting the right supplier system, which is AutoDS, obviously, up first, and then worry about all those bells and whistles later. But for now, we can optimize our titles with AI, we can optimize our product page, and we can do all that stuff as well. This is what the description looks like by default, okay? So obviously it doesn't look very good right off the start. So you can obviously edit this yourself if you want to. You can run it through ChatGPT if you'd like to do that as well, and then switch it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna publish it to my store just so you can see what it actually looks like. And then I'll optimize the product page with AI later so you can obviously compare the difference if you'd like to. So this is what a basic page looks like. It takes the theme that I already have and it just inserts the supplier description from AliExpress. As you can see, it's just a bunch of text and images stacked together. It doesn't look good at all. Now, personally, I wouldn't buy from a website that looks like this specifically because it feels just basic and generic, and most customers are going to feel that same way. So again, if you don't want to use the one that comes in AutoDS because it does charge you, I do recommend it. It works really, really well. You could always just take these into ChatGPT or Copilot and ask it to switch it up for you. Again, that works really well, and then you just manually paste them in there. Now, what we could do here is we want to go back to our products. We're going to click edit, and we're going to head to the product page section. Now we can either optimize the description with AI, which basically rewrites the description, or we can generate a full product page with AI. This thing works phenomenally, and it's literally built in here to this store. This is the option that I recommend because it does look significantly better. So once you do this, click save. And then once you go back to your product page, you just want to refresh it, and we'll see a much cleaner and more structured layout. Now, because of the theme that we're using, it mainly adjusts the description itself. But if we switch to one of the themes included in the AI store builder, it'll look something, better. It'll look something like this. So that's how you can get started with dropshipping from AutoDS to Shopify. And as you can see, it's very straightforward and very simple using this. And if you want to, obviously dive a little bit deeper with AI and you don't feel like using the specific AI that's built into AutoDS, like I said, you can just have ChatGPT alter them for you. Either works, but obviously the ease of use built into AutoDS and the whole supplier relationship here makes this stupidly easy to use and something that I cannot recommend enough.